this is Kathy Campbell with Coldwell Banker, here today with Miles Pitcher from Superior Lending.
Good to be here again.
Nice. Miles is my go-to guy for all information dealing with loans. And today I'd like Miles to introduce you to a wonderful grant program that two of my clients have used.
Yes.
It's quite exciting. It's just for first-time home buyers or anybody with FHA loans.
So anybody who qualifies for an FHA loan, this product can and may work for them.
Okay.
So they don't
Awesome.
have to be a first-time home buyer.
Okay.
It's just, we look at it from the viewpoint, can they get an FHA loan? For example, we have clients who are moving over 100 miles, moving into
Okay.
Utah.
Yeah.
They may have a home in another state, they still can do this program.
Excellent. So the really wonderful thing about this program is it is a grant for 3.5%, which covers the down payment on an FHA loan. Now we've had the Utah Housing that zero interest loan
Yes.
was due when the owner sells the property or refinances, but this one's a little bit different. Now I know it comes with a higher interest rate, but they actually realize a greater gain. So I'm going to turn it over to you, and Miles will explain why this is such a helpful program.
Yeah, you touched on some of the reasons why we love this program. We were excited when we heard about the $20K loan from the state of Utah. New construction, but it was very limiting. It's actually a very tight box. And it is a loan, and we feel like when people go to refinance, it's going to cause some problems here down the road.
Okay.
So we like this one better because it is a 100% forgivable grant. The day you close, there's a letter in there that says the 3.5% grant that they're giving you is totally forgiven. Okay. Some of the criteria that goes with it is that yes, it does carry a higher interest rate.
About 1% higher or more
It's about 1.5% higher
than the standard FHA.
than the standard
Okay.
FHA.
But that's not for very long, right?
Right, exactly. So as soon as the client makes 6 payments on that new mortgage, then we're able to do a streamline refinance. Now, we can't guarantee the interest rates are going to be better, but let me share with you what we're working with right now as of today. So the grant loan, or the grant plus the FHA loan right now sits at 7.75%.
Okay.
Unless
And that's 7.75.
7.7.
And what's FHA at today?
Right now, FHA is at 6.125.
Okay,
Yeah.
so a little bit more than one.
Yeah,
Okay.
so let's take a $500,000 loan amount or purchase price. Our client is going to get a grant of $17,500 to use as down payment, and that is immediately forgiven. And that's going to give our client a principal, interest, and mortgage insurance payment of $37.37 a month.
Okay. For 6 months.
Right, after they make 6 payments on that, if rates stayed the same as they are today, we would be able to do a streamline refinance for them, which basically means that you're going to float your interest rate down. You're not going to get hit with a bunch of closing costs.
Awesome.
It's going to drop it down to $32.02.
And that's to the 6.125.
6.1. Yep, exactly. If it stays the same, so $534 a month savings right there.
Okay.
So in short, the client is going to pay about $3,200 more during the first 6 months, but they're getting $17,500 of free money. That's why we love this.
Okay.
There is no geographical restriction. There is no restriction that it has to be new construction. It can be on an existing home. And you can go all the way up to the loan limit for the county. So Utah County loan limit is $601,000.
Okay.
Whereas that Utah 20K loan is capped at $450,000.
And it had to be new construction, but stuck
Yeah.
everybody in a condo or townhouse.
Exactly.
Okay, so I do have a client doing this right now, and so they didn't have enough for the down payment. They had saved a little bit for closing costs.
Yeah.
So we are currently under contract. The down payment's being totally financed by this FHA program. They put in part of the closing costs, and the seller is contributing about, they're contributing about 70% of the closing costs. So it's becoming a really great win-win for people that don't have a lot of cash, but to get them into a really nice home. This is a $500,000 home these folks are buying.
It's awesome. We love it. So for a client that just is lacking in the down payment, this is a solution for them. If you need more info on it or want to run a scenario, please reach out to us. We call this the Empowered Down Payment Assistance Program is the name of the loan program.
I love it, I love it. Thanks as always for this great information.
My pleasure.
Always happy to help. Have a great day.
Thank you.